All right, so hamstring strength, it's super important. So when we look at hamstring strength, a lot of times when we see weakness in the hamstrings, it shows up as tightness. And so when we take care of that strength problem, we get more mobile, we get more stability, and that's great overall for your spinal health. So we're going to show you 2 different exercises that you can do for hamstring strength, and we're going to talk about one that you can do at home also. So the first one's using this ab wheel to do it, and so what you're going to do is you're going to bridge up, and from there you're going to put your feet all the way out, and then you're going to bring them all the way toward your buttock. And you want to be slow and deliberate when you do this exercise so that you can get the stability that you need. So that's the first one. The next one we're going to use a ball for. And these balls you can get just about anywhere anymore. So what that looks like is you're going to put your heels on the ball, and like the last one, when you come up into that neutral spine position, you want to make sure that you're tightening your buttocks and your abdominal muscles. So we're going to have her come up, and then slowly and deliberately move your heels toward your buttock. And it's all about control. So if you're having trouble controlling the ball, you can do a shorter range of motion with it so that you have less problems. So that's what that looks like. And the last one you can do at home. You can actually use just a towel, put it on your kitchen floor if it's tile or linoleum, and just the same exercise. You're going to slowly bring those heels to the buttock and back. The reminders for that is just to make sure that you're stabilizing through your abdominals and buttock while you're doing the exercise. All right, thanks for listening.